Hello everyone, welcome to Micon Automation Systems Private Limited. In last lecture, we have seen how to install Micon SCADA, how to make a new project, and how to add new devices, new addresses, and we have monitored that data in our scanner SCADA. Moving further, today we will see how to generate a history data, how to do the report query. So we have the last project here. There are four registers. To do more, I will add more register in it. If we have large number of data, so it is difficult to monitor data if we have too much quantity. So as we have seen in the introduction video, there is a group function in our SCADA. So what is group function and how can we utilize it? See, this is a tag groups. So whatever tags you are creating in a Micron designer in your project, you can make a group of that tags, and item tags are that which you will get in your scanner at the time of monitoring. So tag groups defines your tags for a Micron designer, and item groups defines your group of tags for a SCADA or scanner. So for a designer, I will make one group like data group. This is my data group. Another group is my temperature group. Another group is my zone group. I am just taking all of these examples. And the same group I will create for Micron scanner also. Data. So I will add more tags so we can justify our this how to use these functions. So these are my four tags data 1 to 4. It will be for a data group. Now I will take more uh, addresses. Example 1 it is for the temperature group. Zone group. So I have three groups. In first group data 1, there are data 1, 2, 3, 4. In temperature group, there are three data. And okay, so this was my mistake. It is zone data. Okay, so we have three groups now. This is data group. I will. This is for now. This thing will for a scanner. Like if I will select it here at data. So whenever I give filter in the scanner for history data, it will give me selected data only. So I will add text over here. Data group. So tag groups will be helpful to you here. Now for zone data. So I have done changes in my project. So I will start my scanner. Start monitoring. As you can see, I can check the data in my Micon scanner. And let me put some values in this data. As you can see, now I have this data in my project. So this let me introduce with the screens that this is my monitoring screen. If you go in the view, we are at here screens. If you go to the list view, you can see the which data you are communicating with the scanner. But this will uh, not give you the clear view because it doesn't include a time. So this data has my 30 rows. If you want to increase the rows, then you can increase it from here. This is my history data table. Maximum is 200. I will set maximum. So right now in this page, I will get maximum 200 readings at a time. Same thing, this is my chart view. You can monitor your data in your grid. This is chart grid view and this is chart view. So as I explained you, we can make a group. So here is a list of group. If you want to monitor data group only, then select data. If you now want a temperature, then it will show the temperature only. If you want zone, it will show you zone only. And same thing applies for a graph also. Now my current time is 11:32. So I want to check my past 5 minutes data. So you don't have to do the stop. You just set offline. Right now, this table will not operate. This table will not update, but your data recording is still going on. So you can go to the previous tab. You can see my I am going backward to in the report. Like this, without stopping your recording, you can go to the offline mode to check the past data. If you put it set online, then it will again give you the updates of data. Same thing applies for the chart also. So this was real-time monitoring and data monitoring. So now my process is completed. Uh, that let us monitor data and let it record for a 10 minutes. So I think 10 minutes has been done. So first thing, how to generate a report. So suppose you are at a monitoring screen and now you want to generate a report. Go to this report button and it will ask you for a query, means from which time to which time you want the data. So I will enter today's date, 25th, and my time is 11:20. Okay. So this is display interval, means our default time I have set is 1 second. If you want to 1 minute data only, then you can set default second here. If you want only. If you don't want, if you want all the data, then no need to select this. Data report, whatever title you want to set, you can set it here. You can set also header and footer over here. So there are two options after the show grid. Show grid will show you the table form and show chart will show you the chart form. Here is my complete data. Now if you want a chart form, then select chart. You can select your group from here. General will show you all the data. Even if you can select and select from here. If there is data, if you want data 1 and 2 only, then you can also select it from here. Now if you want to print out this data, then there is option over here. You can press that button. So you can see the my header was my Micon SCADA. If you want to change this, you can change. You can also change from report query. Same thing for chart. If you want to print the chart, you can also print it from here. So grid and print. So it is my print preview. As I have selected 1 second interval only, that's why I am getting this much data. If you don't want this much data, you can set time interval. You select it at 1 second, 1 minute only. Okay. This is my report title, start time, end time. This is my footer. Okay. If you want to export this data to your Excel file, then you can do it from Tools, Export to Excel. You can see my exported Excel file is on my desktop. I will open it now. So this is how uh, you can use the group function. You can use the history data. How now I think you are able to check your history data as per yourself. Thank you for watching us. Hope this was helpful and now you are able to use device yourself. If you have any query or any purchase inquiry, you can contact us on sales email ID. In case of any technical doubts, feel free to contact us on support@myconindia.com. Thank you very much.